The official Naruto Shippuden partnership between Converse and the anime franchise was scheduled to debut worldwide on May 22. Through the prism of ninja legends, the extensive collection offers a new perspective on the original Chuck Taylor and weapon models while bridging iconic footwear styles with adored characters from the enduring series. Gaara of the Desert claims to have a red colorway with the Japanese word for love sewn on it, exactly like it is on his forehead. Over brown leather all-star circles, metal stars are visible, along with a textured midsole and a spine that resembles tweed. Converse will also launch a line of Naruto-themed clothing, such as jackets, t-shirts and backpacks, in addition to the shoes. All of the items are made with anime references and are meant to be worn casually. Converse will sell the Naruto Shippuden x Chuck Taylor All-Star GAARA on May 2025, for $80 US.